In a neighborhood, there are many places like market, hospital, post office, bus stop, police station. These are school. These are the important places. The first we will learn about the market. The market. A market has shops. We buy fruits, vegetables, milk, eggs, bread, meat and some other small items from the shops. Market is a place where we buy our things like fruits, vegetables, bread, milk, eggs, meat, etc. We will get from the shops. Then the next one is the hospital. We go to the hospital when we are ill. Ill, I-double-L. Ill means जब हम लोग बीमार होता है तब हम लोग कहाँ जाता है? Where we will go when we are not well? We will go to the hospital. 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 Then who examines there? The doctor examines the sick people. The doctor examines us and gives us medicines. Who gives us medicines? The doctor prescribes medicine for our illness. The nurse helps the doctor. We go to the hospital when we are ill. The doctor examines us and gives us medicines. The nurse helps the doctor. Then the next one is the post office. A post office sends and receives letters and packets for us. We buy postcards, envelopes and stamps from a post office. We put letters in a letter box. Again, the next important place in a neighborhood is post office. P-O-S-T, post office, O-F-F-I-C-E, post office, sends and receives letters and packets for us. The postman brings our letters and packets for us. From a post office, we can send and receive letters and parcels, money order, etc. We can send. We buy postcards, envelopes and stamps from a post office. We can buy postcards, envelopes, stamps, etc. from a post office. From a post office we will get postcards, envelopes and stamps. Postcards, postcards. Postcards means एक छोटा सा लेटर टाइप का एक छोटा सा एक कार्ड है और इसमें हम लोग लिख सकते हैं, अपना मैसेज वगैरह भेज सकता है. Envelopes, E-N-V-E-L-O-P-E-S, envelopes means cover. Then stamps, S-T-A-M-P-S, stamps from a post office. We put letters in a letter box. Say this is the picture of a letter box and the people are putting letters in a letter box. The color of the letter box is red. Say this is the picture of a post office. This is the postman. He brings letters and packets for us. The people are going to buy postcards, envelopes and stamps from the post office, and they also going to send and receive letters from the post office. So once again today we will learn this page, only page number 45 only. We will read and learn the different difficult words of this lesson. Neighborhood, N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R-H-O-O-D, neighborhood. The area around our home is our neighborhood. Many families live together in a neighborhood. People who live in our neighborhood are our neighbors. Neighborhood spelling again, Neighborhood. Neighborhood are our neighbors. Neighbors. Neighbors means पड़ोसी. हमारे घर के पास में जो रहने वाला लोगों को बोलता है neighbors, पड़ोसी. A good neighborhood gives useful services to its people. Let us read about some of this service. There are different kinds of places are there. Different places are there in a neighborhood. Number one is market. The people go to market to buy their necessary things like milk, meat, eggs, fruits, vegetables. Like this, the necessary things we will get from the shops. A market has shops. Market means उसमें बहुत सारा दुकान रहता है. We buy fruits, vegetables, milk, eggs, bread, meat and other small items from the shop. आप लोग पापा मम्मी के साथ बाज़ार जाते समय देखा होगा अलग अलग दुकान में कपड़े का दुकान है और मीट का दुकान है, फ्रूट्स का अलग है, वेजिटेबल्स का अलग अलग शॉप है, राइस का, गेहूं का, अलग अलग चीज़ों का अलग अलग दुकान है. वी बाय फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स, मिल्क, एग्स, bread, meat and other small items from the shop. See, this is a shop. This is the picture of a shop. We will get fruits, vegetables, butter, milk, bread, etc. We will get from the shop. The second one is hospital. We go to hospital when we are ill. The doctor examines us and gives us medicines. 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 What is the spelling of medicine? Medicines. Medicines. Medicines means दवाइयाँ देता है. The doctor examines us. हम लोग को जांच करने के बाद हम लोग को क्या देता है? दवाइयाँ देता है. Who gives the medicines? The doctor gives the medicines. The nurse helps the doctor. In a hospital, a doctor and nurse are working there. The post office. A post office sends and receives letters and packets for us. आप लोगों को मालूम है पोस्ट ऑफिस में क्या मिलता है? लेटर और पैकेट्स वगैरह हम लोग बेच सकता है और हम लोग को मिल भी सकता है. दूसरे लोग बेचता है, हम लोग को मिलता भी है. हम लोग बेचेगा तो दूसरों को भी मिलता है. A post office sends and receives letters and packets for us. We buy postcards, envelopes and stamps from a post office. From the post office we will get postcards, envelopes and stamps. We put letters in a letter box. Where we put the letters? We put the letters in a letter box. So for today, read the page number 45 2 times. Okay children, read the page number 45 2 times. Lesson number 11 or neighborhood. Page number 45, read 2 times. Thank you.